Brain test game solutions level 41 to 60. Level 41, where is my rabbit? You can't see any rabbit on the screen, but you can use all these vegetables to make one. Level 42, get the biggest number possible. So we need to make the number which is biggest, which is 3 digit. So that is, the biggest 3 digit number is 999. Don't waste time in solving all these equations. Level 43, stop the baby's crying please. So turn your device upside down so that the tears go back into the eyes. I wish someday I can use this technique on someone. Level 44, where is my chocolate egg? So the chocolate melts in the sun. So let's find out by bringing all the eggs near the sun. Okay, so we found our chocolate egg. Level 45, Timmy is hungry, please feed him. So put both the ingredients inside and feed him. Level 46, which monkey is car sick? So shake your device to find out which one suffers from motion sickness. So we found a sick monkey, car sick monkey. Level 47, blue has to win this race. Let's see what happens when we press on go. So we can see blue is slower one, so we need some power booster. Amongst the spectator, we can see that there's something hidden, and there it is. Let's give him the power and let's see what happens. And blue has won. Level 48, help this poor guy. So you can see he's inverted. So turn your device such that it faces the floor and you have helped him. Level 49, make the red win the race. So it's color red and not red car. So simply drag the word red and take it beyond the flag post. Level 50, burn everything. So we'll do as they have said. So that still we don't clear the level. So we burn everything written in the question to clear the level. Level 51, Jack did not study for the exam but he has to pass. So he needs to cheat. He needs to peep in her paper. So let's drag his neck so that he can pass. Level 52, which building is the strongest? So shake your device to see which can take the virtual earthquake. And there it is. Level 53, we need 9 apples. So we can see there are 6 apples and there's nothing hidden or anything. So simply invert the 9 to make it 6. Level 54, pick the red color. So there's confusion, should we pick the red color itself or the word which says red? So let's start with the color. So we'll be only picking up the colors. Now yellow, now red. Okay, that doesn't solve, but the previous two were the correct ones. So blue, red, yellow. Okay, red, yellow, and we'll pick the red which is written inside orange. Level 55, how can the bus pass through there? So the bus cannot pass as it is too big. So let's reduce its size and help it pass. Level 56, how many eggs are there? So there are 8 eggs. Let's see if there is anything which is hidden. Okay, there is one egghead hidden over there. So we got 7 eggs. Level 57, scissor has to win. So as we know, scissor wins against paper, then rock, paper, scissor, and paper wins against stone. So let's use the papers to win against this rock and then help the scissor win. Stop the alien invasion. So click on all the aliens to stop them from invading. Level 59, help me achieve victory. It's very easy in this game. Just click on the words and you achieve it. Level 60, help this poor man please. So the men's toilet is out of order. So let's make the men's toilet the women's toilet and women's the men's. And we have helped him. Thank you so much.